Don Buff with Severna Sew and Vac, located at 550 Baltimore Annapolis Boulevard in Severna Park. Our phone number is 410-975-0058, and you can reach us on the internet at www.sovac.com. This is a Kirby Centria vacuum cleaner that we've completely overhauled. We sent the metal out, had it repolished, rebuilt the motor, the transmission, put a complete set of attachments with it, and have it ready for resale with a 2-year warranty. We do a lot of Kirby vacuum cleaner repairs for customers, so rebuilding Kirby's is no stranger to us. If you need your Kirby vacuum cleaner repaired and you're in the Severna Park, Arnold, Glen Burnie, Pasadena, Annapolis, Edgewater, Bowie, Crofton areas, we're the go-to place to have your Kirby repaired, or if you would like, we could also have it rebuilt for you. We look forward to seeing you, and if you mention this video, we give you $10 off your first Kirby repair. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next video.